guys, so this is my room tour, my office room tour. So when we come in, let's take a look at how it is. I mean, it's just a normal room, and let's go start here first. You see a fan because this is summertime coming up, and then I have an iron board here, ironing board. This is for me to iron any fabric. It's from IKEA, so I like to iron fabric first before waxing them, so it'll give them a better look, a less wrinkly look. And then next I have a shelf here just for different stuff, and the top part, it's where my sewing stuff are, and my second one here has some new fabric that's gonna be waxed. So I have some, existing ones. I really love this floral. This one, I have a beeswax bag that in this pattern that I really like. And then there are two new ones. This one is really cute. This one is really cute, a little bear. And also like a honeycomb one. I really like this too because I feel like they're very summery, and I feel like yellow would be a good color for the summer. So this is my packing boxes and some paperwork, and look at who's here. Anyway, she knows we're talking about her. And the next stop, it's this desk. It is where I cut all my fabric and sew all my fabric. So look, they're little containers holding different stuff. So you can see these stems. I really like them. So this one is my logo. And then the other one is just a return address. So I got them from Etsy, and they're a very nice seller. So as you can see, this one actually holding the stems is this. It's actually beeswax wrap. So they're old ones that I don't really like. I think they're not the perfect ones. So I use them to kind of fold it a little box, and they're really good. They hold my stuff really well. So that's what I use to put my stems. And then here, see, this is another box that I put just, some little stuff, my hair tied and things. And this one is where I put my threads. And then this one here are my pencils. These pencils I bought on Amazon. They're supposed to disappear. The ink's supposed to disappear on fabric after it dried out. And then another one of my beeswax wrap. And then I also have a little honey jar, a reused honey jar that I put all my little clippers to hold the fabric into place. So this is, I like to keep them just out here so I can get them whenever I need to. And this is my sewing machine. I learned sewing not too long ago, probably like a year ago, just because I wanted to make the beeswax bags, which I have. It's pretty popular. People tend to like it. And then this is another table for my computer and my printer, and this is where I print out all your orders. So I still don't have a label maker, and a printer is all I have. And then moving on to here, a couple more IKEA shelves, and then we'll talk about this little box here. So let's go on top because I'm very short, so this is as far as I can go. You'll see iron here to iron my fabric, and then just some of my books. And moving on here, you can see 4 different drawers, and each drawer has different sizes. I put a label here. I like pushing cats. So this is where I put my 8-inch beeswax wrap, and this is the 10-inch. So they're the same drawers. So let's open it. And this is where I keep my 8-inch one, and this is where I keep my 10-inch ones. And then bigger ones on the left, 14-inch and 12-inch. So let's just open it and see. So just 12-inch ones and 14 inches one. And then here are the minis and the straws. So minis here, here. And then the straws, I used to do reusable straws for you know, to go along with my beeswax wrap as well. And then there's some supplies, so you know, the little tray where I bring it down to wax my wraps. Packing peanuts, which I didn't buy. So it's something I found from work. So we ordered some soap dispenser, and they came with this large box of peanuts. So what I did was I cannot make myself to throw them, so I brought it home. I made this little paper, so, and then I include them in my packaging. So hopefully, as I'm reusing these packaging peanuts, I hope, you know, my customer will reuse them too, because that's a lot. So I didn't buy them, I just recycle them. And then here are more fabric. This is where I keep my packaging stuff. As you can see, I have, I need to label all of them because I just can't remember. So packaging, all my packagings are like cardboard based. So, you know, I try to use as less plastic as I can. So some more packaging stuff, and some fabric needs, fabrics that when I need. And then I have here snack bags and DIY set. So just some, you know, bags here, beeswax bags. And then I have a little kitty home that sometimes they come in, they walk in, they want to stay with me. And then I have, you know, some paperwork, and some more packaging things with scissors, tapes, more packaging stuff, and then hamstring and skills. And then I have here, these are the demos which I used to take picture with. So, you know, I have this label with them. I really like this one. Look at it, it's so cute. It's like summery, you know, the shells and stuff. Anyway, check out my website. And then I tend to keep leftover fabrics. So I make different things out of it. I like to use this as stuffing. So let's say if I make some catnip, you know, little pockets, I would put the fabric scraps into it so I don't waste them. So cute. I also rate a fabric scrap. And then I have extra fabric. Sometimes, you know, a little edge that's too small to make anything else, I make some scrunchie out of it. Sometimes I do like upcycle scrunchie to sell on my shop occasionally when I have time. So this is some scrunchie that I made. I also made another scrunchie with a little zipper, which I really like. So there's a pocket in there that, you know, you can put some cash or like a key, and then you can put it on your wrist. Anyway, it's hard to put on my wrist right now. Oops. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys like my room tour, and I will see you in the next video.